So, Kiesel Guitars. What do we know about them? What do we want to know about them? Hopefully here is a brief history to help you with that question. So starting in the 1970s, Mark Kiesel took over the guitar department and began offering custom instruments made to order, allowing customers to choose from a range of body shapes, woods, colours, electronics and other features. They had to expand. The company continued to grow, producing a wide variety of electric guitars, bass guitars and other musical instruments. Soon enough, the guitar arm of Kiesel emerged. In 2015, Kiesel Guitars split from Carvin Corporation, taking over the guitar and bass manufacturing as a wholly separate company. The original Kiesel name and logo were chosen to honour founder Lowell Kiesel. Their global reach. Kiesel Guitars opened up sales globally following the name change, continuing to build high quality custom electric guitars and basses. Their modern day leadership team now consists of President Mark Kiesel and Vice President Jeff Kiesel, with a commitment to quality and innovation. There are numerous models of Kiesel, but some of the more notable ones are the Headless Vader guitar, which won Revolver's Best of Show award at the 2015 Winter NAMM show. Kiesel Guitars continues to be a prominent name in the world of custom electric guitars and basses, known for their craftsmanship and dedication to quality. Numerous innovative players use Kiesel Guitars currently. For me, one of the best guitar players on the planet, Thomas McCrocklin, uses an assorted selection of Kiesels. Check out his channel to see some Kiesels in action. I've also linked the channel in the description for easy navigation. Hope that cleared up a few brief minor questions on the guitar manufacturer. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know. See ya.